I'm here. 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 I saw the fireball. I'm here. 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 Okay. All right. We got all that. We got all this. All right. That's all working. Okay. Typing check. Go over here. Enable. All right. Give me a type check. That's not.
Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, snails.
Alright, somebody give me an exclamation mark type. Somebody do it. It should be enabled. It should be. Nice. Nice. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Uh-oh, hold on. I need to go fix that line though. Alright, we'll go fix that. Alright, disable. Why did it draw to a new line? Also need to figure that out. I think I added an enter. I think I added an enter afterwards. Hi, Sir Joe, let's go, dude. I did. I added an enter. That's why. Because it's probably going to be important. I could disable that line though. We could see. We could see. We could see. Alright, we'll see how it works. We'll see how it works in game, and then we'll slap that in there. Hi, Sir Joe, let's go, dude. Oh, bless about you again. I think for the third time. Blessings upon everybody. More blessings. Wait for it. Oh no, wrong button. Oh, not that button either. Alright, now I'm gonna switch it up. Wild growth upon you. Okay, alright, let's see if it works. Today is the day. Today is the day of learning. And today we're gonna learn whether it works or not. Down, what is an inverted forest formed from the roots of trees that grow above? It's long been home to outcasts, fugitives, and tax dodgers. Paladins and other surface dwellers have an annoying habit of blessing one another as a greeting. Blessings are not healthy for the undead. Alright, we might need to go back to blessings soon.
Many ages ago, a great evil rose to threaten the fledgling kingdoms of men, until it was forced back down into the darkness by a group of legendary heroes. Now, centuries later, these mighty heroes sleep beneath the earth, entombed and forgotten, in the realm of the Crypt Master.
You can play with a controller? Oh, I can't imagine that would be the best of times. I've seen a post about if you put a tree upside down, you can actually turn roots into leafling branches and vice versa. That's crazy. I didn't know that. Okay. Begin real-time. Recommended. Begin turn-based. I feel like real-time will be more entertaining. Alright, so what we got here? Alright, up, down, left, right. Oh, is this gonna be like full keyboard? Okay. Extra controls. Alt to move the camera. Shift to alternate the movement. Okay. Oh yeah, I guess we can't use WASD because, yeah. I don't know if the post was real or not. I mean, I could believe it. Nature finds a way. Okay, what we got? Alright, yeah, that's fine. Alright, yeah, we're looking good. Okay. Alright, everything looking pretty good. Let's turn this up just a teensy bit.
Time to move on.
Actually, that seems okay. We'll leave it, yeah, we'll leave it there. Green shake on for now. Food sounds. guess that can be triggering for some. Alright, minimap, minimap rotation. Okay, that's important. Might need that later. Let's go. Okay, hints. We'll leave hints off for now. Additional looting fingers. Interesting. There's a lot of options. I'm impressed. Voice input. Voice mode is an accessibility option. Will disable some gameplay features and content. We'll need a microphone, Windows 10 or greater, and online speech detection enabled in Windows. Huh. I heard you can put your hand in the ground and grow yourself. I didn't hear that. I'm lying. Well, I mean, technically, so like if you put your hand in the ground, right, and then you wait like a second, you're 1 second older, so like, technically. So clear all save data and reset. Okay, let's not do that. Alright. Looks good. Alright. Let's see. We don't got any type ability at the moment. Alright, one sec. We'll have to test that whenever we get to a section that we can. It's disabled for right now. Is this where we're going? A conversation that will span hours?
Hello.
I'm not the same guy you were talking to just a second ago. Type single word responses and press enter. Okay. Alright. Well, let's try it. Okay. Alright. You guys have control. I think I need to go. I think I need to go re-enable enter. Wait, I thought I updated. What? Hold on. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, do that. Save. Okay, save. Alright, that looks good. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, let's try that again. Let's try that again. What the fuck did you guys? Oh, it missed a V. Wait, what? Hold on. Alright, let's try to get. Oh.
Take that as a yes. Anyway, I'm calling to you.
Hopefully that doesn't come back to bite us in the ass. Like, that's your new phrase you have to remember.
That separates the living and the dead. You're on the dead side.
Okay, it is. Okay, okay.
Now, how are you feeling?
It is. Okay. Alright, hold on. Alright, yeah, it's fucking up. One sec. I was wondering if it was 0 or 1 based. I think we got the answer to that. Okay, we got the enter key. That happens outside of the repeat loop. Oh, that's why. Yeah, that makes sense. Wait, where's the... Wait, hold on. Where's the first character? There it is, okay. But it's working after that. Alright, hold on. That's probably start position 1. But it's working everywhere. That's weird. It's weird. It's still cutting off the first letter. I mean, we can try this, but I don't think that's gonna work. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, enable. Oh, hold on. I think I gotta, like, do it that. I think I gotta get out of it. Okay, alright, try typing something. Okay, yeah, now it's not even. I don't even think I typed anything. Okay, good news though, it is working in games, so that's good. Alright, try it now. No, okay, we gotta go one layer deeper. Alright, now try it. It's not skipping the first letter, now it's skipping all the letters. Oh, now it's not typing anything. Oh, fuck. Okay, breaks there. First message, y'all. Okay. Okay, the original message. Okay.
A wild Porygon 2 appears.
Alright, somebody type something else? I guess I can. Okay, I came right now. Best. Oh, it actually worked. BS. Huh. So it like quickly types in E and then it like goes through it and then it goes error. Okay. So it does like, if I type error, it's doing E. Does that. Okay. That time it just completely skipped it. Okay, so maybe I need to add... Okay, I gotta do something. Alright. Something needs to change. Is it something about the re-enable? Might be something about the re-enable. Okay, this is outside of the re-enable. Dang, I thought it was working right yesterday. I'll just be like, not the original issue that we started with and something else broke when you tried to fix the first thing. It could be. It could be one of those cases. Okay, so we know that whenever we start typing that, okay, that time though, whenever Rose typed it, it was like capital S O, but it just kind of went down one. Oh no, there it is. I did that, and then it didn't do the enter? Alright, hold on. Re-enabling. Alright, typing enable. Okay, so it did an enter, then it typed, right? Okay, alright, hold on. Okay, we're on this line now. I don't even know what the hell happened there. No, no, it doesn't let you do more than one word at the moment. Alright, bean. Okay, so it goes down a line, so it hits enter once. And then it types in B, and then it does that. Okay, that one...
Supercat half ragalicidus specladocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Okay, so it's got 2 enters happening at the moment. That's interesting. Okay, so what happens if I just don't have it type enter right now? Okay, so if we don't do that, alright, we're on this line. What happens now? Okay. So it's something about the re-enable block. The re-enable block doesn't work the way that I thought it did? I thought the re-enable part. Did I move? Did I go to a new line right as I was doing that? Checking designs, okay. And then you get, okay. Yes. Okay, missed multiple words. I have the queue enabled for this, right? Allow queue, okay. Okay. Okay, it does. Two. We only need single words. Okay, that's how I thought the game would work. I wasn't sure. Crypt mastered. Mastered. Okay, well we do need enter. We need a way to type enter. Okay. Alright, so disable that. Alright, so re-enable doesn't do what I think it does. But it does, but it doesn't? Okay, so it runs through this thing, right? So it runs through here. And then... So it goes through this block. But it hits enter for, okay, so it hits enter first, so it reaches the bottom, and then it comes like back up here. And then it does all the typing. But then it hits the bottom again. Okay, so it hits the bottom twice. And then it hits the bottom like a third time. Okay, so re-enable is actually like run through this code this many times. But then it creates a new instance. I see. Okay, so re-enable does weird shit. What about repeat? Is repeat the same? Repeat amount. Can we repeat an infinite number of times? We still need to enter to cap off words though. Yeah, I figured like if you type right, so if you type it's gonna be like an automatic enter. That's what I was thinking. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Okay. Alright. Tech issues. Lol. Go ahead and update the stream title. There we go. There we go, that's more apt. Alright, I need to go look up repeat real quick. Alright, Sammy, repeat. Get some music. We need some background music. Oh, apparently, what was it? It was like Final Fantasy VI, and then one other game got like sections of the VOD muted. I was like, that's weird. Oh, and I thought that. Or was it 4? It was either 4 or 6. There ain't no Roman numerals so good no more. Final Fantasy XI female myth. Oh no, is this the song? I think it's the song. Alright, Sammy, done. There we go. Yeah, loops and repeats. Alright. Repeat. Alright, commands inside of it will be repeated for X number of times. The delay between each repeat. You can use break command to break it and create some really cool effects. Repeat instantly repeats all commands inside of a block for a specified number of times. Retrieving multiple values from file load. Okay. Alright, that's no good. I don't think. It also doesn't say. Okay, it says you can't do it an infinite number of times. Okay. Okay, so we need some logic to figure this out then. So I guess like only... So I guess I need to take like these break statements, the if statements and these break statements, and then hit enter. Okay, that sounds good. Alright, if I think 50 works. 50's been working pretty well so far. Alright, so if... We'll get our variable names. Alright, the message length is less than 1. Okay, and then we'll do an else. Yeah, we'll make this an else statement. Else if. That way it doesn't run twice. Because technically I think both of these can be true, maybe? That's alright, okay. Equal to, yep. Okay. Save. Okay. Save. Alright. Okay, typing is enabled. I need to be able to see what you guys are typing. There we go, okay. Alright, let's see. But say this is the part that I actually can't test without you guys. This is the part where it's important. Also, the sound's not playing. Why is the music not playing? Hold on, I'll leave it there for another second or two. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, disabling. There it is. Yeah. This is the original, like, female Mithra character creation for Final Fantasy XI. Alright. Alright, typing's back, typing's back. Maybe, okay, I need like an on-screen thing that says like typing enabled. Oh wait, hold on, maybe I can. It wasn't working yesterday, so that feature wasn't working yesterday. I think it's something to do with like how things load. So depending on when Sammy loads, like it'll let me interact with certain things. Yesterday, it actually wouldn't let me type, but it was working earlier. A beep. Oh. Oh, that's really weird. Oh, yeah, it's really weird. So, we type two different... Huh.
A wild Seadra appears.
What Okay, so you type stuff, I typed beep, and then it started typing stuff at the end of beep. So it said stuff, and then, okay. Okay, no, it worked properly. Alright. It looked weird because of I was typing at the same time. Not because they were sent simultaneously. Okay. Wait, is it not hitting enter? Wait, is it not hitting enter? Alright, hold on. Is it hitting enter over here? Yeah, this is what. Okay, put that back over here. Okay, hold on. Type. Oh, it doesn't. Right, it doesn't type. It doesn't type slashes and stuff. It only recognizes A through Z because we had hard programming. Typed R. Okay, but it didn't hit enter. Oh no, the enters aren't working now. Why aren't the enters working? Ah, nuts. Okay, alright, first things first. Alright, programming, 10%, this is how I think it should work. 20%, this is how it is documented to work. True. 65%, why the fuck doesn't this work? True, true, big true. Why? What now? Why the fuck does it work? That was very true. Typing enabled. Okay, that looks. Does that look readable enough? Is that enough? Can you guys see that? More? All right. Alright, select font. How much bigger can we go? Some old tile spinning GIF bullshit around it and make it blink. I don't think I can. Not with this. I could be wrong. I mean, well, like technically, maybe. Hold on, we might be able to. Oh, there we go. We'll just set it to click that like every 2 seconds. Can we add a gradient? Oh, hold on, gradient direction. Oh, here we go. There we go. I just have it say sample text. Okay, all right. Oh, okay, that's what the background does. I'm like, what did that do? Or what? Okay, no. Okay, the legitimate. All right. Maybe 50? Yeah, that looks about right. All right. Text here. Okay, we like anti-aliasing. Alright, disable this background and the gradient. Oh god, it's so cooked. Why is it so cooked? Okay, alright, cancel. Start back over. I don't know what the fuck I did. Oh, I Donkey Kong Country 3 for the GBA. Oh, where'd the picture-in-picture go? Did I do the thing yet? Alright, oh, it's right there. It was in my OBS preview. It was messing with me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, bring that back, please. Okay, thank you. Alright. Enabled. Make it like green or something. Oh, is it the outline? That's like a giga ugly. A little bit, yeah. Wait. Eh, too dark. Not too bright though. Eh, good enough. Okay, so whenever we enable, we want to go to OBS, and we want to change source visibility, and we want it to be typing. Oh god. Streaming? I apologize. Okay. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Alright. Wait, but we had an issue, right? Wasn't simulating enters, right? Okay, let's try it again. Oh, what game was this? Ico? Ico. Alright, somebody exclamation mark type for me. Oh shit, no, wait, no, you're right. Shadows of the Clouds is not Ico. Ico was the follow game, right? Okay, Shadow Word. Okay, alright. There's no enter though. Okay, try again, try again, try again. Oh, maybe that's why he was trying to like... No, maybe. Alright. Wasn't... Okay. Yeah, still typing under. Okay. Alright. I potentially know. I have an idea. Okay, now that doesn't fix it. I'm out of ideas. I don't know. Wasn't Ico like the predecessor that came out years or later? Oh, that could be it. I remember it being like Shadow and then Ico. Oh, wait. Oh no. I try one more time. I saw beans. I don't like that the cursor's not blinking anymore. I don't like that the cursor doesn't blink whenever that happens. I don't like that. Oh wait, what? Okay, now it's like, okay. Wait, try it out. Was it red? It looked like it was red. Okay. Okay, bag work, but no enter still.
How about some scat, you little twat?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Bottle just for I got like really close to the screen, tilted my head. It probably had no idea what the heck I was doing. So I'm like, what the heck?
Have some more caviar.
What? Okay, alright, my bad. Okay, what about now? No, it's still not doing it.
Wild Amogus appears. Mighty.
Huh?
Your butt. That's right, my butt. My butt.
His butt. Run that and then run the switch statement. And then he gets out of the switch statement. And then we get here. But it's like reaching here and then it like... Now it's being weird again. Because if I just have an enter here, it like does the enter. Like multiple times.
Ah, you cursed squirrel, look what you've done. I'm flushing, I'm flushing. Oh, what a world. Who would have thought a good little squirrel like you could destroy...
How TF is it another anniversary again?
Hey matey! Thanks for the 86 months. I appreciate it. Alright, hold on. Alright. We got typing enabled. Alright, now what happens? It goes back to the like multiple enter thingy, right? Okay, it does it like right after the first letter. It's like bah! And it does it twice. But it's not doing it afterwards, so it's like it's executing the code early, is what it feels like it's doing. Oh, we just moved the if statement. I'm dumb. Yeah, hold on, I'm dumb. Hold on, we literally we just gotta move it. We just gotta move where this happens. Alright, so like if this happens, right? We just move this up. Alright, no delay. No delay here. Alright, hold on. Alright, we delete that. We just, yeah, we'll make these break statements. And hit enter. Alright, there we go. And then then we break. And then we break. Alright, that's correct. Okay, and then this should be right. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. For the movement either way. Oh yeah, I figured as much. I figured this was gonna be more so for we were gonna have fun messing with each other. I figured that's what this would boil down to. Okay, now try typing. Now let's see if the type thing works. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, now it's like just straight broken. Alright. Ah. Okay, so if I hold down enter, right? Yeah, it's just gonna keep doing that. Okay. Oh, did I fuck up? Oh, I inverted him. Okay, alright. Yeah, okay, it never actually exited the loop. Okay. But it also didn't simulate the enter, which is problematic, but... Wait, a pre-potente? Wait, what's a pre-potente? What's that? Pre-potente. From Dungeon Crawler Carl?
Prepotente.
Wait, like this? Was it this? Is it from Dungeon Crawler Carl? Oh, okay, we got one. All right, we got Link. Okay, all right, that's way more adorable. Yeah, it's pretty adorable. That's a good one. That's a good one. How bad is it? How bad is it? Like KR to USD. No, that can't be right. That is not right. That is not right. That would be like $400. That is there's no way that's right. That's gotta be the wrong currency. Alright, what's it? Hold on. Okay, that's more. Okay, that's better. I was like, hold on. It defaulted to 1,000 instead of like the actual thing. And then I like Alright, $45, 45 bucks. Which is still a lot. That's pretty expensive for sure, but it is pretty awesome shirts, I get it. Frank claims he never hears, or he never says that, but I can hear it in my head, so surely he does. We got it, right? Where is this from? Neo Tokyo. Is that the animal one? Okay, alright. Shipping and stuff too. Oh man, yeah, that didn't even include the shipping cost either. And any other like shenanigans like import costs and all that other tariffs. Other things. Alright, typing's re-enabled. Alright, let's try this again. With the brakes in the proper places. Is it working? Did it break everything? It's not blinking. When it stops blinking, that worries me. We're so close. We're so close. We're so close. Okay, beans. Oh, there's no enter. There's no enter. Oh no. I saw beans. Alright, again. No! I mean, it didn't break, so that's good news. I guess. What the hecky? It didn't break, but it also didn't hit enter. They're gonna make it like the 200 default. It's like, is it too fast for that? I mean, it works for every other letter. Okay, alright, question? What's the question? Why are you doing all the comparisons and stuff? Oh, because we have to have a breakout from like the repeat. So it'll infinitely repeat unless it has like a way to get out of here. And we have to put it inside of this comparison statement. Because we can't have the break work as the comparison statement. So like, we can't add anything, right? Hold on, wait. Right? Yeah, that puts it after, okay. Yeah, we can't put this under, like, as part of the break statement. I put it underneath everything, but apparently how the repeat works is that, like, the repeat is async, so it's running all this code, so it just, like, goes to the end and hits enter. And then but it doesn't hit, go back and hit enter again, I don't know. That's what this is. That's what this is. When stream length is less than 1, then it breaks. Yeah. And then else, if stream length is, you know, there's still stuff left in the message, then it breaks at the first space. But it's not doing this. It's not doing this like it's supposed to. Or maybe it is doing that, and maybe we need like a delay here? brake command or something? I mean, we could try that, but I don't know if that's gonna work. 210. Maybe it's getting broken there. Journey, I heard great things about it. I still haven't experienced him. I haven't seen him either, so like I'm completely okay. All right, not true. I've seen pictures of a guy sailing through the sand. All right, I've seen the trailer of the guy. That's all I know. All right. Typing should be enabled. Please don't break. Please work. Please don't break. Please work. Please don't break. Please work. Please don't break. Please. Fuck. Please. Please. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. Look, the brake's functional. Like the brake is functional because it is stopping. Oh, type like a space in there. Type something with a space. See if it keeps typing that. Because if it keeps typing, then it then I broke that logic. I broke the breakout logic.
A wild Burmy appears.
And it's okay, but what about? Here we go. Type 3 S's. That's not good. Okay, so the delay caused it. Okay. Try... Yeah, something like that. Okay, the delay is causing the brake to delay while it's, like, continues processing. Okay. So, putting a delay on the brake is not the answer. Okay, putting a delay on the brake is not the answer. It just kept doing it instead of like actually breaking out when it was supposed to. The only thing I can think of is that like this right here. Okay, alright, hold on. What if... Hold on. What if... Create button. Farts. No, press enter. Command. Simulate key press. Enter. Okay. Allow queue. Nope. Allow queue. Save. Delete. Delete. New stuff. Trigger button. Okay. What 90? Okay. Yes. Okay. Alright. No way. No way it doesn't work now. There's no way. Alright, try it now. Okay. 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 Happy, 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 happy. Beep, 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 beep. Try a multi-word thing. Yeah, not borked, right? With the spaces? Okay. Not space borked, okay. Man, I want to know, like, what the fuck the back end of the code looked like to cause that. Because I don't think that was on us. I think that was just some weird quirk. Hacking the mainframe now, sending results to Google Maps, triangulating, Google Maps loading, link to direct user loading direct location. It doesn't win now?
I am assuming direct control.
Yeah, it doesn't type multi-words. Yeah, yeah. Okay, what does it do when I type like this? Oh yeah, it just ignores anything it can't type. So spaces were kind of like, I mean, you could just type in like a really long word. I don't even notice it doesn't type in the question mark either. Wait, what? Where'd clever girl go? Did I type it wrong? Okay, no, okay, it's working. We had a baby, it's a boy. It's a boy. Put an extra space at the start on accident. Oh, okay, yeah. Then it skips the entire thing. Okay. Yeah, mine like ignores spaces whenever I type in chat arena. I think on mobile you can actually like do the actual extra spaces. Okay. You say whatever right now. All right. Also Twitch drops. Dude, that goat was so good. Oh, hold on. So what's the source context for that? Little goat man. Was it from a webcomic or a series, or like what was it? Good down, I'm curious.
The
yes.
Pride 2026 code is
Dungeon Crawler Carl. Okay. Check this out. Dungeon Crawler Carl. I think you guys have talked about it before, but I don't remember what it was from. A book series written by American author. The name sounds familiar. I remember hearing Dungeon Crawler Carl from you guys before. And TV series. Okay. I think Jeremy also might have talked about it too. We've had some hit and miss series. Like some were pretty really rough, and others were actually really good. Okay, so that looks like it's working. This looks like it's working. Okay. And then it's good. Bink, a bonk, a bink, a bonk, a binky bonk. Okay. God, it took so long. It took so long to get everything going and everything. Oh my god. Oh, I kind of want to start tomorrow now. I just want to start tomorrow and have it all work. I'm also hungry. I didn't really get good food. I didn't think we were going this way. Fuck. Because if I were already in it, I'd just be like, I wouldn't be thinking about food right now. I'd just be like, alright, we're going. I know, we've only been going for like that long. I know. I know. But at this point, like, we're already late. We might as well just start it tomorrow. Be good. Start it tomorrow. Just call it. That's what I'm thinking. Fine. I don't see a way that they pull it off. You don't think so? Is it a live action, by the way? Is it a live action, or is it going to be animated? Commit self-care. Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm afraid I'm going to be sick tomorrow, too. I'm also really afraid I'm going to be sick tomorrow, so I'm also got that on my mind. I've been around sick people a lot. No, not wicked sick. It's live action. Okay, now that does complicate it. How are you just sick? Are you not? Oh, but to answer that question, trying to tell your pop you got the black lung? No, luckily no coughing, although that is one of the symptoms of the people I've been around, so, but definitely scratchy throat, so might lead into a sore throat tomorrow. Urgh. Allergies? No, not allergies. Legitimate sickness. Illness. Ooh, the absurdism and seriousness. Saw-like levels of gross are just dumb. They might have, Chad. Odin also cast death on me a lot. Well, technically it was Antetsuken, but it might as well be death. The giant things that I'll avoid spoiling. Oh, I know about the giant things now. Is this centered? That doesn't look centered. It wasn't. Okay. Like, that looks off-center. That's gonna drive me crazy. Alright, just to be sure, everything is working in-game correctly. Alright, we're gonna tab into the game. They'll restart tomorrow. But let's tab into the game. Alright, let's make sure. I don't even remember what he asked. That's how deep into the distraction we got. Well, not distraction, fixing. Technical issues, there we go.
I don't really understand
okay, type squirrel.
what you're saying. Can you explain in a little more detail? Actually, I withdraw the question. I don't care.
Damn, alright.
Now, move toward the light.
Okay. That's gonna be fun. Alright, I'm glad we got that working though. Why are your horns asymmetrical? That's a good question, actually. That's a good question. That's a good question for him. We'll have to find out tomorrow. Lineage 2. The Shepherd's
Can you
Fleet.
frog blink with your model? I was
Hold on,
thinking about that for a sec.
Actually, I don't know. I think it's technically possible, but it doesn't track it well, if I remember right. Alright, hold on. Alright, so in order to do it, there's a set. I enabled one setting because I think it like tracks one eye better than the other.
Tell me how to cook the sauce, alright?
Alright. My bad, sir. I won't tell you how to cook the sauce. Is that Dragon Sharp? Hi, Dragon Sharp. Oh no, it's Dragon Sharp. Oh no, Dragon Sharp, we're wrapping up a stream. Oh no. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Link eye blinks. Okay, there it is. Alright, hold on. Is it even? Okay, alright, hold on. Glasses off. Alright, how about now? This is trying so hard and failing so bad. Yeah, not the best of that. That's pretty good eye. I couldn't even like see it. I'm blind. See, it looked pretty bad though from what I can see. Can't read this. Look at this now. Oh my goodness. Cool World? Is that actually the name of the game? Yeah, huh. Welcome to Cool. I've never seen that one. It has like Who Framed Roger Rabbit levels of like vibe. Cool World is a movie. Made it into a game? Is it based off Roger Rabbit? It looks like it. Cool World. $1992. Following the success of Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Okay, yeah. Wait, is this a follow-up movie to it?
A wild tentacle appears.
Oh no, same director. Oh. Hold on, here we go. I was like, give me the filmography. Huh. Okay, no, it wasn't the guy who made Who Framed Roger Rabbit. But it was inspired by it. Ah, she. Interesting. Yeah, I know Dragon Star. It's been a weird day. It's been a weird day. It's been a weird day, man. It's been such a weird day. Okay, but we got the thing working. It's working. It'll be ready tomorrow. We can start tomorrow. We can officially start it tomorrow. We can officially start it tomorrow. Yay! It only took a lot of y'all's time. It took a lot of time for me. Is that Brad Pitt? Was Brad Pitt? Hold on. That is Brad Pitt. That is in fact Brad Pitt. So this is a horror thing, huh? Well, I guess like, it was more mystery, right? Who Framed Roger Rabbit was more mystery, like. It's weird. What was the other thing that was weird? The only thing I remember about the movie was like puppets milking a cow. That was like literally the only scene I remember from it. Is something mystery murders or something like that? Roger Rabbit? No, not Roger Rabbit. No, I remember Roger Rabbit. I heard this song recently. I was playing through Kirby 64 with Joey from Trash Taste. I Miss Caribou. That was a fun stream. I kind of wish I'd go back and watch the full VOD of that. It was nice. It was cool to see them like just chilling. It was basically just them chilling, hanging out. And then Haruka just had like a game up, you know, conversation piece and all that. It was a good time. The dubbing of Ghost Stories. It could be the dubbing of God. It wasn't the good dubbing of. Okay, puppet, something murder mysteries or something like that. All right, puppet movie, yeah, where they milk a cow. Happy Time Murders. That's my like weird movies. Like you were talking about Cool World. This one's mine that I remember. Only because of that scene. It was like freaking everywhere. The Happy Time Murders. Although the dubbing of Ghost Stories had some great one-liners. It had amazing lines. Holy dude, I need to go back and like watch all of it. It was all so crazy. Is it because I'm a rabbit? And gets addicted to glitter or something? Yeah. She gets like a puppet part stuck in her, and then she get like a puppet transplant. And then the puppet starts seeing her as more of a puppet. It's absolutely wild. I don't know if it's good. I would not call it a good movie. Absurd. I would call it an absurd movie, though. yeah, exactly. Oh. You want another fun one? Yeah, what you got for me? Dave Builds a Maze. I don't think I've heard of this one. 2017 movie. Project 02. Okay, so what's this supposed to be about? Builds a cardboard fort that somehow supernaturally houses an entire labyrinth full of deadly traps and creatures. That is a fun premise. They've made a maze. Oh my gosh, that sounds good. That sounds like a fun, silly time. Oh, I gotta go watch Sonic 3. Oh, I gotta go watch the new Mario movie. Oh, dude, I got a lot of movies to watch. Oh, I can't forget about them. I need to see Shadow the Hedgehog and his Latina love. His love for Latinas. Did I hear what Sony did? I did. I heard Sony announced the end of physical media. They're like, they're completely stopping making discs, which is ironic because they got onto like Xbox last generation for trying to do that. There's another thing. Oh no, I didn't hear about the other thing. Hold on, what was the other thing? Okay, the movies. Oh, okay. No, I did hear about them. Yeah, the irony is that they were like, guys, we're ending physical media. And then like right before the announcement that they were ending physical media, they just took away people's movies that they bought. So you can't download the movies that you bought anymore. So they just like completely cut off your access to the movies that you purchased. And shutting down PS3 and Vita Store. Wait, shutting down or shut down? Like, oh, are they still open? Open until next June. Okay, so a year. Alright. It's a bad part of me was like, oh shit, I should go download the games that I purchased. And then I was like, you know what? Fuck it. I'll just... Yar. If I want to go back and play it, fuck it. I've already bought them. Eat my ass. Is that a healthy thing to have? I don't think that's a healthy thought to have, but my first thought was I should go download all the stuff that I bought. But I really just fuck it. I probably don't even have enough room to like store it all on the PS3 if I had to guess. Yeah, no, I bought like a bunch of stuff. There's a lot of really weird, wacky things too. Was it Tokyo Jungle or something like that? That was a weird game. It's a game where you play like animals and then like, but the world's kind of gone to shit. So you're just like trying to survive as like these animals, and then you like go up in tiers into other animals as you play the game. Okay, the humans disappeared. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, you start as a Pomeranian, right? trying to like keep your family safe. Objective, survive. Objective, have family. If I remember right, you start going up, right? Like, it's not just you start as a Pomeranian, but I think like you get access to other animals as you play the game. I think. I don't know. I didn't play it like super duper long. I didn't play a lot of it, but I did play it because I was like, this is city, and it was. Okay, there's a bunch of chapters, different animals. Okay. Okay. And a free play mode where you can pick. Oh, that makes sense. That makes sense. I think that's what I did. I don't even know if I meant to, but I think that's where I ended up going. Okay. Also, wild growth upon you. We'll need blessings for tomorrow. Hold on, fixing. Everything's gonna go black for a second. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Are you ready? I warned you.
Everyone panic.
Ding, 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 ding. I don't think anything works on that screen. I think it is literally just like the blessings. I think it's like the overlay up there. It's literally just that. So that's all that's on that screen. Oh, let me go to the chat. Okay, panic. Hey, let me go double check. I literally think it's just that. Yeah, it's literally just that and the sound. Nothing else would play. It's meant to be like an overlay. It just goes on top of stuff. That's why it works the way that it works. That's the way it worked that it do that it worked that it do. Yeah. Near. Man. What is Elite Classic? I need a new addiction. League Classic release date. Grassy, no. Grassy, yes! More details revealed after the finals on July 11th. Okay, alright, that's all I need. No, just play more Warframe. I'm not in a Warframe mood though. I'm not in a Warframe mood. Sometimes I get Warframe mood, but I'm not in one right now. David, for the love of God, stop. I can't. You can't stop me. It can't be contained. Power World is July 10th. Fuck. Alright, I did forget about that. I did forget about Power World. Well, like, I forgot how soon it was. And not that I forgot about it, but I forgot how soon it was. Okay, fair. Alright, that's fair. I don't know why Elite Classic is the thing. Why would I play a suboptimally shitty MOBA? It's got a point. Because that was the era, that was peak era for me. I don't know about you. Good nostalgic times. I'm gonna go in, play like 5 games, and be like, ah. No, actually, I don't think I'm gonna be like, ah. I think I'm gonna be like, ah. Now that I think about it, because I was like, no, the only reason I quit is because people didn't want to play ranked games. That was it. Like, it was literally it. Like, people just didn't want to play the fucking game. I wanted to play the game. Other people were just like, no. And I'm not talking about like surrenders or anything. I'm like legitimately just like people AFK, AFK and leaving the game. Like, now, was I one to surrender often? No, because I was always like, okay, all right, I think we can still win this. I think we can still win this. And the games that we actually ended up playing through, yeah, no, we actually ended up like winning more often than not. But there is a point. There is a point. Like, surrender is an option when the enemy Vayne, who is like 20-0 at like 15 minutes, you know, like we're like, okay, all right, no, this game is fucking done. And they have like all other carries and like a tank line. It's like okay, all right. There's no shot. We need to react to your past videos in League Classic. Exactly. Can you? I want you to think about this. When League Classic comes out, my content is actually relevant again. That's fucking crazy. My content legitimately relevant again because it was like in those seasons, season 1, 2, 3. Actually. Fucking crazy. Come full circle. Chinese man was on a rampage at that time. Okay, but I need an explanation for a quote by you. It's been a while, so I may not have a good explanation, but what's the...
A wild cap socket appears.
I feel like that was just one of those off-the-cuff moments. I don't think there was any real rhyme, reason, or logic behind that phrase. I think it was... I think that was just an impromptu moment, I'm gonna be honest. And no one gets it. Fuck that jazz, because that's what jazz does. X3! Oh, what is it? Gravity? Wow, what was his name? Hold on, without looking. I want to say it was Gravity Beetle. I don't think that's right, though. Gravity Beetle, let's go! It's stuck in my head. I can't explain to anyone when I say that. There were just some things that were just kind of like in the moment, completely just off the cuff. We had some really good moments, like the word of what was that? The word of protecting your good in this game. just completely like brain off, whatever. Like, you know how you have like the logical brain, right? The one that thinks, and you have that brain that's like constantly going in the background. Sometimes if you just let that brain that's constantly going in the background out and let it say things, that's where those moments come from. We take that filter off for a second, and that's where those moments come from. Oh man, I don't feel like I get to really let that. I haven't gotten to let that happen in a hot minute. I do not let that filter off anywhere near as much as I did back then. Mainly I'm always afraid. I don't know, I'm always afraid of saying something really, really stupid. I mean, I do anyways, but... I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. It's not like you don't, so yeah. I don't know. I guess it just comes with the turf. Whereas, like, you know, if I say something incredibly stupid, that just doesn't get made into a video, right? Or it does because it was gold. Whereas streaming, there's no take backsies. It's kind of like just like it's out there. So I get so there's just there's that mental. There's a lot more thinking. There's a lot more thinking to the process. That series is a classic. There have been so many more moments. I just haven't been able to make them into reality. They exist. They're out there. There's so many more Walker-Enemies moments. They're just not titled that. I was gonna say we had that today, but that wasn't my fault. That was a coding problem. Well, not even our coding problem. Like, it's like more back-end code problem. Still don't know what caused that. Yeah, I don't know why the enter had to be on a separate theme. Some weird logic. Some weird code logic. They even transcended games and genre. No, true! True! This man knows. He's experienced it. He's experienced so many more. It occasionally leaks out IRL too. Yep, it does. It leaks out in the real world. Alright, yep, no, yep. Listen, I was an idiot, okay? So I went, I got like a new bank card, and I'm like, hell yeah, I got a new bank card. They said I got new features, fuck yeah. Did I read the features in the pamphlet? Fuck no, I didn't. I'm just confidently incorrect. Go out there, start like, they're like, yeah, we have like, you know, like you hover the card over and it reads the chip. I'm like, yeah, I got that. Guys, I didn't have that. I had to insert the chip into the thing. I'm like, fuck, I'm dumb. I'm such an idiot. Oh my god. Walked away from that store. I'm like, all right, not coming back here for a while because it was good. It was good stuff. That will live with me, and I will die having done that. That's one of those moments that will haunt me before I go to sleep. Most of them end up being, I'm gonna try some shit or do something stupid. No, it's true. I do that a lot. No, that's actually true. I want to try this thing, and I'm like 99% sure it's stupid and dumb, and it's not actually gonna do what I want it to do. But I have to try it in the name. Yep. Science is stubbornness. In the name of science that I've renamed from stubbornness. We have to adapt quickly when it happens. Yeah. I don't, believe it or not, I don't do it as much as I think to. If that makes you feel better, I do try. I do try to be considerate towards you guys. I could have so many more stupid moments. But I feel like you guys suffer enough, so you know I gotta like hold a little bit of that in. Mentions the things or waits for a moment where they're in a decent spot. True. Fuck it, we ball. Treasure Hunter G. Squaresoft? Squaresoft, so that's before the merge. What's Treasure Hunter G? Hunter G. Combat similar to the Shining Force series. I've never played the Shining Force series. I'm gonna guess Super Famicom. Oh shit, okay, no SNES. I was gonna guess Genesis. Exclusively. Well, okay, they were Square, which I think back then was kind of Nintendo exclusive? Until PlayStation era. Did Squaresoft? Hold on. Did Squaresoft release any Sega Genesis games? Square Enix never released a game on a Sega console. Huh. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Does that include the Sega Saturn for Final Fantasy VII when they had a large market share in Japan, but Sony dominated worldwide and even helped publish their disc format? Okay, so they almost... It almost went to a Sega console, but it didn't. That includes Dreamcast, right? I don't remember any Sega or any Square games on I've got constipation. I gotta let out my grassy moment, but I'm constipated. There it is. We're just chatting. I don't know. I'm in the wrong category. All right. Hold on. All right. Yo, screw it. I don't feel like changing it. All right. Everybody, thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for keeping me company and sane and helping me out. Actually, it was very helpful. All the stuff that you guys have been doing. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. All right. So tomorrow we'll start Crypt Master for real this time. I'll see you on it. Okay. All right. I'll see you on Friday. Everybody, have a good night. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Bye, Dragon Shark. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night. Thank you. You too. And a good weekend if I don't see you tomorrow, okay? All right. Well, I think we're going to be playing a little bit later to make up for all the shenanigans. But, okay. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Well, it'll be there, but not here. But over there. But not here. Okay. All right. Anyways, I'll see you then. Bye. I'm going to explode now. I don't have an explode button. That was a lie. All right, but... I don't fireball button. Ah!